Ndewonu ndị ọma ndị nke mụ kedu ka unu mere? Hello my beautiful Igbo language learners, hope you are all doing fine today. So I come bearing news. To add to our activities on this channel, I am going to be committing to bringing us Igbo word for the day every day in this year 2026. I commit by the help of God to bringing us Igbo word for the day, and this is to help our learning journey. Remember, I am committed to ensuring that you learn Igbo language this year and beyond. So to do that, I am going to bringing us words which is adding to all that we are going to be learning in the extensive classes, in the longer classes, but then this is going to be very short, simple and straight to the point. So I will bring you okwu na ọmụmaatụ ya. Aga m ewetara unu okwu na ọmụmaatụ ya. That is words and these examples or usages. So to start with today, we are going to be starting with the word receive, which in that family we have received, receive and received. So we are treating two words at the same time today. Receive in Igbo language means Nàta, Nàta, Nàta. And Natara means received. Received means Natara. Received means Natara. So imatu, receive, you say Nataya ego ahụ. Receive the money from her or him. Nataya. Ya here is not addressing a particular gender. It's a general, it's generalizing it. So Nataya can be him or her, except you want to put a name. Nataya egan, so receive the money from him or her. Natara, a nataram ozi ekelegi, that is received. A nataram ozi ekelegi, I received your greetings. I received your greetings. So that is the words we are going to be considering today. See you tomorrow. Kemesia. Have a blessed day.